Wake up, it's time for school. Did you brush your teeth? Finish your breakfast quickly. Clean your room, please. Don't forget your homework. Wash your hands before eating. Turn off the TV now. Help me in the kitchen. Go to bed early tonight. I love you, take care. Put your shoes in the right place. Don't make a mess. Speak politely. Drink your milk. Finish your homework first, then play. Close the door properly. Turn off the lights when you leave. Get ready quickly, we are getting late. Share your things with others. Listen carefully to me. Add more sentences in the comment box.